Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency and blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look, it's gonna be drinking, smoking, swearing. Oh shit! So you've been warned. So because here I come in 3, 2, 1. Bang! Welcome everybody. My name is Shamar Clark. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, the greatest show on earth, the greatest show in the multiverse. Bang! Yes, we have a great one for you today. Holy brothers, I have so much. There's so much to talk to you motherfuckers about. Shit, so much today, man. Anyway, we'll get through it during the week. We'll get through it all. So bang though, look. Oh, and this is it. All right, let me calm down. Let me calm down. All right, guys. Oh, good stuff. Real good stuff. Oh man, I love you guys. Look, Cisco and SingularityNET are going to build a decentralized AI. Yes. There you go. SingularityNET onboards another one. Well, I guess that's a partnership. That's a real partnership, not when they call something a partnership and it's actually you're paying a motherfucker. No. It sounds like Cisco. And anyway, we'll get there when we get there. Bang. And then, obviously, I have to talk about it. I'm not going to talk about this every single day or anything, but just because it's the first day, Bakkt. Bang. Bakkt came online and it sold 71 Bitcoins on its first day. I know people are complaining and stuff. Don't worry, but we're going to talk about that, all right? And then finally, what I've been telling you guys, I want to see other countries doing crypto stuff, daggone it. And so Stuttgart, the Stuttgart Boerse, said that's German. It's a German stock exchange, the second biggest German stock exchange. They're going to launch a regulated digital exchange. Actually, we talked about this way last year. They'd already. All right. So we'll get there when we get there. And then bang, shout outs and daily summary. So let's begin how we begin, brothers. Yes. Bang. Oh no, we begin with a bang. Like that. Yes. All right. Oh, and then a refresh. Look. Shmari Bakkt came out, but Bitcoin went down to 9,000 something. Don't worry, guys. We're going to talk about that in a second. I know. I told you already on Saturday, but look. All right, guys. Let's do how we begin. First of all, let's begin how we begin. Do our thing. Let's do our thing. And then we'll get to these stories when we get there. Don't worry. We're going to talk about all that jaga, bro. Look. Top 10 of the day, brothers. Usual suspects, brothers. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Tether, EOS, Binance Coin, Bitcoin SV, and Stellar. Let's look at the market moves of the day, brothers. Eesh. This looks like pretty solid. Just single digits down. I'm sure there's an up in there. So, look. Single digits up, single digits down. Well, let's say it this way. Single digits down and single digits up. There's a single digit, all right. That would have been fucked up if it was all red. We had some last year like that, remember? All right. Look. Single digits down and single digits up. Single digits down and single digits up. Single digits down to single digits up. It's pretty much all down. And single digits down to single digits up. All right. Let's look at the top 10 losers of the day, brothers. You see anything on here you like, you go get it. Because you know what it is. It's on sale, boy. Look. Bang. Oh, wait. We didn't do this part. Yeah. Hold on. All right, yeah. All right, the price of Bitcoin. Right. Shit, I was all excited. I'm excited to talk to you about the other stuff we're going to talk about. All right. Price of Bitcoin is $9,731. And last night when I left you, it was at $10,063. And, let's just call that, what do you call that? 200, I don't know what. 200 and change down. All right. There we go. Went down 200 and change. All right. Yes, I knew I was forgetting something. It's funny when you do the show, you get a feel for it, and there's like, am I missing something? Yeah, because it doesn't flow the way. Anyway, look. Top 10 lose of the day, brothers. Go get it because it's on sale. Bye. Look. Top 10 lose of the day. ABBC coin, Quant, Litecoin, Cosmos, Ren, Waves, Dragon Coins, Synthetics Networks, Elastos, and Grin. Let's look who made money today, brothers. Bye. Yes. Top 10 winners of the day, brothers. Gainers. Yes. Energy, Chainlink, Bit Capital Vendor. Never heard of that one before. MadeSafe Coin, Tezos, Redcoin, Electroneum, Metaverse EDB, Bitcoin Diamond, and Crypterium. Yes. Let's look at total market cap of the day, brothers. Hold on. Let me just look at something. Oh, yeah. The losses started. The losses started right after our top 10. Yes. Okay. I see. That's what I wanted to see. How many more gainers were there? Because, right, when it gets down to gains like this, 0.03, you're like, yeah, well, how many more are there down there? How many more are there down there? All right, brothers. Look. Settle down, brothers. Settle down. Now you're having too much fun now. Settle down. All right, look. Total market cap today, brothers. What do we got? Was that 256? Oh, 255.1. And when I left you on Saturday, we were at 267.5. So we went down $12.4 billion in market cap. And then now we are at total volume of the day, brothers. Look. 59.3 today. It's interesting. But when I left you on Saturday, it was 54.4. So actually, we've went up 4.9 billion, right? Is that the math on that? 4.9 billion. So up in volume, yet down in market cap. So guys came and did some profit taking, made some money, and bounced with it. All right, look. All right, let me just make sure everything's working properly here. All right. I didn't want to have to. All right, look. Buy Cisco, SingularityNET to decentralize artificial intelligence via the blockchain. Doc. So look, if you're new here, SingularityNET, I want you to Google SingularityNET Sophia. S-O-P, oh my gosh, S-O-P-H-I-A, okay? Google SingularityNET, put a space, and then type Sophia. Yeah, and then just watch those videos. And then go to the videos part of Google and watch the videos that you're going to see, okay? That's what these guys make. SingularityNET, let me give you a little breakdown on SingularityNET. SingularityNET's run by this guy. His name's Dr. Ben Gortzel. He's an ex-military, U.S. military contractor, and he's a PhD. Right. Do you understand where we're going with this? And so he created this crypto. Oh, wow, hold on. Fucking crypto. He created an AI. And this AI, it thinks and it learns. It thinks and it learns. And then he created a robot that represents it here out in the physical world. So you'll see Google Sophia. You'll see that robot is the AI in the computer talking. Look, brothers. I'm not a fan. No, I'm invested heavily in SingularityNET. I'm not going to bullshit you. Full disclosure. But you just said you don't like the robot. I don't like the robot. But before that robot, because let me tell you something. If there's if there's ever a day when the Terminator robot comes out, or like in the Matrix where the robots decide to use us for batteries, that'll be because of this guy. Yeah, but before then we can make some money. So, fine. And look, that's what we're talking about around these parts. Yes, making money. So, use case? Yeah, world domination. That's the use case. That's the SingularityNET AI use case. What's your use case? We're going to take over from the humans. Ay, ay, ay. All right, guys. So, all right. Seriously, though, man, watch it. SingularityNet, Sophia. Google that. And you'll see the video. I mean, it's all right. Let's get real, though. Okay, and so let's get to some true stuff, though. And so SingularityNet, yes, they have that robot, and they have the AI and everything. But the truth is that SingularityNet is now used by the biggest insurance. Is it insurance? Yeah, the biggest insurance company. Is it insurance? Yeah, the biggest insurance company in the world uses SingularityNet. It's a Chinese company called Ping An. Yep, they use SingularityNet. And here's one for you. If you're American, you know about this. Domino's Pizza. Domino's Pizza in Asia uses SingularityNet. Yep. So I'm having fun about the robot and stuff. It's not fun. I'm serious. I don't like that. But but that won't be in my lifetime, so I'm good. So I know that's selfish, but look. So they actually have onboardings. You know what I'm saying? And then now with Cisco, bye. Here we go. Another onboarding for SingularityNet. All right, so let's get to it. Wow. Let me get my sips in first. Well, I guess what I should just say while I'm doing this is what SingularityNet's going to do is they're going to allow all these AIs to be put on to their blockchain. And Sophia, that robot you see, I mean, if you actually do the Google thing like I just told you to do, that robot, not the robot, but the AI, Sophia, the AI itself, or SingularityNet itself, is going to learn from all the other AIs that are put onto it. So it could be a shipping company that uses AI for shipping. SingularityNet's going to learn about, well, Sophia is going to learn about shipping. Anything, any AI, it is going to learn everything that all the other AIs are doing, how they work, and all about them. So what's spooky about it is, well, if this thing becomes huge, it could be like a global brain. It's going to know everything. All right. Let's just go on from there. I'm not exaggerating. That's the truth, but let's move on. I don't want to get into conspiracy talk. I mean, that's not a conspiracy. That is what it's doing. I'm not bullshitting you. It is going to learn everything. But what I'm saying is it's going to learn from all these other industries, all the AIs in all these industries. Or just any AI you put in. It might not even be industry. It might even be, I don't know what. I don't know. Maybe some AI to take care of children. Well, it's going to learn how to take care of children. Like, all right. Let's just move on. All right. Look. Networking giant Cisco Systems selected the blockchain-based platform developed by SingularityNet to host its decentralized AGI. Oh, it's not a partnership. It is actually some straight cash, homie. Yes. You didn't read this, dog? Nah, I didn't read this. All I saw was Cisco and SingularityNet. That was good enough right there. It was good enough right there, brothers. I told you guys, I always do last minute. Before I do this show, I always do these last minute searches because I want to sort of tell you information first. You know, so yes. So I didn't read this one. I don't have to read it. It says Cisco Systems, baby. That's all you need to know. So look, networking giant Cisco Systems selected the blockchain-based platform developed by SingularityNet to host its decentralized AGI project. All right, what's AGI about? So AGI is artificial general intelligence. See, here it comes. Here it comes, man. This guy, Ben Gortzel, the SingularityNet guy, he worked with the fucking American military, man. I mean, I don't have a problem with that. I mean, I used to be in the Army, so I don't care. But I mean, just think about that in terms of he used to be a military contractor. And so what I'm trying to say, I guess, is just that, he's got still contacts back in the military. And as long as he makes a good product, he's going to have an inroad into that. Do you know what I'm trying to say? Like, if I have a product, I have to tell people about it. Well, if I already have done work with these military guys, so for instance, like this guy, he's done work with military guys, he could just call up, hey, Colonel Sanders. No, just kidding. Colonel Robertson. Yeah, I've got this and this. Yeah, come show us. You know what I mean? In other words, it makes it easier to do stuff. I'm not saying this guy's going to do military stuff, but it will not surprise me. It will not surprise me if we hear that he's got some military stuff down the road. All right, who cares? Anyways. So artificial general intelligence is a branch of AI that focuses on a computer's ability to learn intellectual... Oh, see, they are talking about it. To learn intellectual tasks. That's what the whole point of that SingularityNet is. Sophia, Google in SingularityNet Sophia. To learn. It's going to learn everything. Whereas existing AI might learn to read characters on a page, for example, a true AGI system might intuit how to write the book. Exactly. It's a smarter AI. Like, yeah, man. Yeah, man. It's just smarter. Like, that's what I'm telling you. And you see that robot they have? Yeah, well, when you give it 4 legs. When you give it 2 legs and 2 arms and make it walk around, now it's learning and stuff. That's what I don't like. And that's what the Ben Gortzel said he wants to do. Yeah, he wants to make a full robot. He said, yeah, it'll do your laundry for you. It'll go do your shopping, groceries and shit. Oh, yeah. Oh, here it is right here. Hold on. Yeah, here it is. In a joint statement by Dr. Ben Gortzel. That's the guy. He's got crazy hair, and he wears these crazy hats. You'll see. Google that. Google it. SingularityNet CEO said that the scale of the AGI deployments needed by a partner like Cisco is going to be tremendous. And we're working hard to make sure our AGI tools and our blockchain-based platform is up to the task. Yes. So SingularityNet's platform democratizes AI by decentralizing its source, preventing any single force or player from hoarding computers' capacity to learn. All right. Cisco and SingularityNet see the potential in building AGI together. Oh, they are going to build it together. Okay, so it is a partnership. All right. According to Gortzel, I'm sure that Cisco probably has to pay them to use this, though. According to Gortzel. So he said this technology is expected to provide tremendous commercial benefit to whomever develops it. So this benefit may initially take the form of a generation of narrow AGI systems that infuse general intelligence into products in specific vertical markets like, say, advertising, medical research, computer networking, or financial analytic, he said. So Cisco's role in worldwide technology kickstarts that goal. Bye! Cisco Systems, baby. Big onboarding right here. To really build, so this is what the guy says, Gortzel. To really build a global decentralized thinking machine. See? You see how he's talking? Thinking machine and everything. Yeesh. To really build a global, decentralized thinking machine, we're going to need to put a lot of complicated ingredients together. And the collaboration between Cisco and SingularityNet has the potential to accelerate things tremendously. Oh, yeah. You see how he does it? So, bye! SingularityNet I'm telling you, you go watch that robot. You go watch that robot, Sophia. I'm telling you, it thinks, it learns. Spooky. Look, but here we go. Cisco, bang. SingularityNET, bang. Yes. Big partnership. Now, obviously, we have to talk about bang, Bakkt. So Bakkt traded 71 Bitcoin futures contracts in the first 24 hours. So, Bakkt has two types of contracts. They have the 24-hour contract, which pays you the Bitcoin the next day. And then they have a monthly one, right? All right, so we're not going to read this whole thing because this is the article we're going to read. Here's what to expect. Okay, actually, let's read that one first. This is a better way to do it. This way first. Okay, so Bakkt is finally launching its Bitcoin futures today. Here's what to expect. So it launched it, obviously. But here's what to expect. And the reason I'm reading this is because it's a nice, sober article about what to expect. Everyone's expecting Bitcoin to fly to 20,000 and all this. Nah, dogs. I told you this the other day. Yeah, Bakkt is offering one investment vehicle, and they're just one little thing. I remember it's just for Bitcoin. So I like this article because it's a sober analysis of the situation, okay? I don't like these, because they're bullshit. These crazy clickbait articles. Just talking crazy nonsense from some fuckstick who's never been in the markets or anything. So look, Bakkt is finally here. Bye. Here's. After 2 delays and 13 months of questions, the Intercontinental Exchange Bakkt Bitcoin warehouse and futures contract facilitator is launching Monday, has launched on Monday, yesterday, opening the door for institutional investors to take positions on the cryptocurrency in a federally regulated venue. But trading is set to open at midnight UTC and close at 2200. All right, so it already opened, so let's skip that paragraph. Is often noted, Bakkt's futures will be physically settled, meaning buyers receive Bitcoin at expiration, whereas the futures available since 2017 at the CME Group are cash settled, essentially side bets on the cryptocurrency's price. All right. But what may be most unique about ICE's Bitcoin futures contracts is that they expire after a day. That they're offering 2 contracts. One contract you get after a day, and one you get after a month. Right? Yeah, it's a month. According to the daily contract specifications, the Bitcoin will be delivered on the second business day after the contract's date. So for most commodities, frozen concentrated orange juice, cocoa, what have you, the underlying asset is typically not delivered for at least 30 days, although ICE also offers one-day contracts for silver and gold. All right, whatever. So while Bakkt is also offering a 30-day Bitcoin futures contract, it is a 30-day contract, the one-day version will essentially allow institutions to buy or sell Bitcoin in a way that's more familiar to them. Remember I told you investment vehicles. That's why you need these investment vehicles. So these guys can come in here and attack the market in the way they're familiar. Right? Shmoy, why don't you trade this stuff? Yeah, because it's not trending, homeboy. This is a garbage market right now. Right? And a futures guy, well, why aren't you buying futures? Well, now a guy gets to buy futures, but only Bitcoin futures. And we read about the other day options, right? What was it? Novogratz? I think Novogratz was going to offer options, right? And so, yeah. Oh, no. Where was that? Anyways, you read about the options guys coming in. Where was that, though? Oh, the CME. Oh, my bad. All right. The CME is going to launch options. So right? You need to give the tools, the investment vehicle, you know, you need to have these different investment vehicles so the guys can attack the market. All right. Well, some of the brothers said they like this, so I'm going to say it again. Look, the army, the markets are like a war. It's a war, right? We as the investors, we're the army. These guys said they liked it. So let me try one out here. Let me see what I can do. So let me get some beverages. Oh, do you understand? And so in a war, well, the general tells you, go attack that city. All right, we got to take it over. We got to take it from the enemy. Yeah, well, in the military, you have many different guys, right? So, like in this world, the regular world I live in, you guys know I'm a Forex trader. All right, so say the Forex guys, we're the Air Force. So forget the Forex part. Let's look at derivatives. That's what I do. I trade derivatives. Yeah, so derivatives traders, we're like the Air Force. Yeah, we fly around, boom, 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 bomb stuff. Well, just let's look at the markets in general, how we attack them, right? Oh, shit, hold on one second. Right? I might be the Air Force in the Forex market. And while the Forex market, we're the Air Force. And then the stock guys, they're like tankers, they're called tankers, guys who drive tanks. Boom, boom, boom. They're just blowing shit out. Boom, boom. Just, with their big cannon, just blowing crap away, right? And then you might have the futures guy. Hey, he's like a sniper. Bing, bing. Right? Like he just shoots, bang, one guy at a time, right in the head. Bang, just blows his face off, right? And all of those things, so those are investment vehicles. That's the way we attack the market. That's the way we attack the city in terms of this army analogy I'm making right here, right? And that's how we are. And so that's what we need in this market. We need ways for guys to attack it, right? I'm a derivatives trader. If you don't give me derivatives, I can't attack, and proper liquidity, so it's trending. I can't attack this, right? Like people ask me all the time, Shmari, show us how to do this. Show it. It's not going to work here yet. It's not going to work here yet. And I know people don't understand. I don't know what you guys think, but I'm not bullshitting you. I would do it. But we can't attack it yet. It needs to trend proper, right? It needs to trend proper. And so this thing here, Bakkt, is giving the futures guys, so let's say the snipers, bang, all right, a way to attack the market, right? And eventually options will come along. We read about that the other day. Oh, I just read that right there. And so, yeah, investment vehicles. All right. So for most commodities, we talked about that. All right. So while Bakkt is offering a 30-day Bitcoin futures contract, the one-day version will essentially allow institutions to buy or sell Bitcoin in a way that's more... All right, let's slow down. While Bakkt also is offering a 30-day Bitcoin futures contract, the one-day version will essentially allow institutions to buy or sell Bitcoin in a way that's more familiar to them than the helter-skelter world of crypto exchanges. And that's what I talked to you. That's what I taught you guys. I told you guys, these guys are not going to come and buy their stuff off of fucking Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, OKX. That's ghetto shit. They're not doing that. There's no way in hell. I'll tell you right now. There's no way in hell they're doing that. And that's one of the benefits of Bakkt is that it is, well, let's look at it. Hold on right here. Right? First of all, Bakkt is owned by a company called ICE, if you're new here. I know, guys. You guys know, but let me just teach the new people. Run by a company called ICE. ICE controls the New York Stock Exchange. Yes. Yes. The New York Stock Exchange. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Yes. The New York Stock Exchange. Okay. And so now that they're offering crypto, All those guys on the New York Stock Exchange, not that they care about crypto, most of them don't give a fuck about this place at all. But those that want in, who want to taste, wow, they are going to feel real good and comfortable. Buy! Yes. Real good and comfortable coming into this space through Bakkt, because it's controlled by ICE. You know, it's institutional grade. The shit we trade on, it's ghetto level. Nah, dog. These big dogs need proper stuff. And now Bakkt is offering it, and that's what's good. They're offering a good investment vehicle that is regulated. You know, I mean, it's regulated. It's the real deal. All right, so am I yapping too much? Hold on. So as Lanres, fuck this. Let's read this. As Lamresimi, CEO of crypto derivative exchange operator Level Trading Field, put it, the dailies make their offering like the cash market, but the ability to short, that's huge. Oh, my bad. Okay. So what he's saying is the daily contracts allow you to short crypto. All right. Anyway, whatever, man. Let's move on. So remain calm. That being said, okay, so, and now I want to skip over to here for a second with you guys, and then we're going to come back to this article, okay? Bang. So this is what Bakkt did in its first day. They got 71 Bitcoin contracts, okay? We're not going to read the whole article. We're just going to read little portions. Intercontinental Exchanges, ICE, Bakkt platform has traded 71 Bitcoin futures contracts in the first 24 hours, following its launch on September 22nd. Now, okay. So according to ICE historical data on Bakkt's Bitcoin USD futures contract, trading the platform has traded 71 Bitcoins at press time, with the last recorded trading price set at $9,875 per Bitcoin. So, and I want, the reason I'm bringing this up and the story I'm reading to you is that, you know, it takes time. Like, I don't want you to think that, and I'm going to be realistic with you, you know, Bakkt, and I said this on Saturday anyway, this thing Bakkt here, it's one exchange offering one investment vehicle. That's it. So this ain't the end all be all of all of it. It's going to help. It's going to help big time. But like the CME futures, it takes time to grow. Right? That's what I was kind of telling you guys November, December. Yeah, Bakkt is here now. And then guys will onboard, you know, slowly. It's a process, all right? We're going to go through a process. And that's what we're going to actually read in the other article. But, you know, I just like to show you that. So blah, 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 blah. We're not going to read all this. But American investors and Morgan Creek Digital Assets co-founder Anthony Pompliano said that Bitcoin will end up in every institutional investor's portfolio. And that's the key. Eventually, it'll catch on, and there'll be some exposure to the price of Bitcoin in every portfolio. I agree with him. I'm reading this because I agree. It's, you know. But it takes time. Okay? But it takes time. It takes time. You know, for, you know, institutions and, you know, hedge funds or whatever, to be comfortable with exposing their clients' portfolios to a new asset class, right? It's a new asset class. If I'm a bond guy, I'm an options guy, I'm a whatever, well, I'm comfortable already there. Yeah, I make my clients money, make them money during what I already know. And so when you offer me something new, well, it's like I got to check it out, right? I'm not just going to throw my clients' money into something I don't know. Like, if I'm already making money over here all the time, daily, why am I going to go here? Do you see what I'm saying? Like, and so I want everyone to get that. It's going to take time. You know, once these boys see their boys are making money and stuff like that, you know, they'll slowly trickle in. All right. So the Pompliano said, the more infrastructure that, this is the last paragraph now, the more infrastructure that's built around this, the more likely it is to never go away. And it ain't going anywhere. That's one thing. It's saying crypto ain't going anywhere. It's on the Bloomberg terminal. We're rocking and rolling. So we're at a tipping point now where Bitcoin is here to stay. It's going to end up being in every institutional investor's portfolio. And that's the truth. It will be. So now let's get back to this article, because now we're talking about the timing. All right, remain calm. That being said, it is unlikely that ICE's new futures contracts will have a significant near-term impact on the general crypto market, particularly given the company is not looking for retail customers who make up the bulk of traders still. For now, it's all retailers. It's guys like you and me, right? Now we're pulling in the institutions. Yeah, that takes time. Bakkt anticipates significant institutional demand for its futures contract, though it remains to be seen how significant it actually is. But we could see decent trading. So who's saying that? Anyways, we could see decent trading volumes for the product, said John Todaro, director of research at TradeBlock, a provider of institutional trading tools. I would expect, however, that the demand would be somewhat in line with current cash-settled contracts, such as those offered by the CME. So you know that we have the CME offers cash-settled futures. Trading volumes for derivatives contracts traditionally outpace trading volumes seen in the underlying spot market. So, you know, they're a little juicier. They move faster. All right. So, hold on a second. I'm just making sure. So, where are we here? So, however, it is unlikely that there will be any immediate surge in demand. And that's why I told you. November, December. Yeah, Bakkt is open up today. Where are we at? September, what are we at? 24th, 5:43 in the a.m. It opened up today. Well, yesterday, I guess, actually. It opened up yesterday. And so, yeah, but it takes time. These onboardings. Other guys want to look at other guys. Are you making money? How's it going? You know what I mean? Like, you know, those players want to look at other players, see what's happening, right? You know what I mean? It's like, I don't know. Imagine someone serves you some new type of food, right? And so, you know, he's like, look, I you know, like imagine you're at a dinner party. And he's like, look, I have this, I don't know what, you know, octopus tentacle ceviche or something, right? Well, maybe you're a little nervous. You're like, octopus tentacles. I love me some octopus. But, right? So you wait for some, you know, ceviche is like it's like a salsa with meat and stuff in it, right? No, it's big here in South Beach, you know, these South America, it's a South American thing. And anyways, right? So you take your tortilla chip, you put it in the ceviche and eat, right? And everyone looks at you. Is it good? And then you're like, good. And then they all start eating, right? They wait for the one person to experiment first. Is that good? Right? And you're like, yes. And then they're like, oh, all right. And they start grabbing chips and just dipping in and going at it, right? That's what's happening now. So it takes time. That's a true shit. Yo, ceviche here. Yo, man, in South Beach, man. These South Americans, man, they make that ceviche nice. I got an Ecuadorian brother. He makes it nice. Yes. they cook it with the citrus of the lemons. Oh yeah. All right. Anyways, though, but you see what I'm saying, right? So, whoops, sorry, hold on, guys. So, like he says here, it will take time for these entities to become comfortable with this asset class. Identify strategies that are best used to trade the space, understand crypto market liquidity, and also understand the different regulatory and tax obligations. I told you about the taxes. That's huge, man. Don't worry, I keep you abreast of that. Across jurisdictions they operate in. So, and then this is just some bullshit about we're going to get on that. Now, caveats aside, ICE launching futures contracts is a significant move for the industry. Tradera noted that traditional financial institutions are quite conservative. I told you guys that. Look, I'm a real trader, okay? 19 years in this place. Actual trading, making money. I've been since I was a kid reading about, my mother worked at the TD Bank data center. And let me tell you, it's not like the movies like you think. Like the movies always show, like, Wolf of Wall Street, like these guys going crazy. Nah, dog, it's not like that. It's the exact opposite. You have client money on the line, and one word, just your reputation, everything like it. All right, so they're quite conservative. So the offering demonstrates that more and more Wall Street institutions are taking a close look at digital currencies and want to gain exposure to this new asset class. Yes. They want their warehouses exposed to the price movements. Yeah, so this stuff. Look. It is possible that some of the recent positive market moves across digital currencies have been from traders acting on the Bakkt launch. It's possible. But we don't know that. So, look, Bakkt's launch may be a positive sign for other highly anticipated products in the U.S., such as a Bitcoin exchange-traded fund. Buy! That's what we need. Buy Bitcoin ETF. Because ETFs give people collateral. What do you call that? What is it? Justin, the darkness. He showed us residual income. ETFs give you residual income. And that's what we really need. And that's the fucking shit that we need from the SEC to approve. I'm not going to bullshit you. I don't think that's going to happen this year at all. That's all I can say about that. So look, last week, SEC Chairman Jay Clayton expressed concerns with crypto markets maturity, and we talked about that. Derivatives products like futures contracts are more tightly regulated than the underlying spot market, and may be comforting to regulators and potential institutional customers alike. Tadera concluded, this offering, in addition to the CME, can help regulators become more comfortable with digital asset trading and market infrastructure. Bye. Look. So, and then let's just go. And then this last part. Where's this? American investor and Morgan Creek Digital Assets co-founder Anthony Pompliano said that Bitcoin will end up in every. Oh, did we read this? Oh, in the portfolios. Yeah. All right, we read it. All right. So yeah, guys. So what I want to show you is just, it's going to take time. I know maybe some of you are like, well, Bakkt came online today, and well, what the fuck happened, Shamari? Well, it's not Shamari. I didn't, I'm not the motherfucker. But right, it's at 9,000. We were at 10,000 when you left us. Yeah, it takes time. It's going to take time, right? Like, hold on. Why am I stuttering here? Right? It's not like they open an exchange and then the whole world just jumps in, right? You open an exchange and, all right, there's a new thing. Well, all those hedge fund guys, all those institutional guys, well, they're waiting to see what happens. And like anything else, well, you wait to see what the first guy's outcome is, right? So So for instance, like Bakkt opened up. Oh, I tell you right now, those Flash boys and the proprietary traders, they're the ones in first, right? Smaller hedge funds, smaller funds, and stuff like that. Yeah, and the bigger boys are kind of looking a little to see what happens. They're not afraid, but what I'm going to tell you is this: they know it's backed, right? They know that it's run by ICE. It's not that they're afraid to come here. There's no fear. There is no fear. ICE runs the New York Stock Exchange, and ICE runs Bakkt. They're not afraid. But what it is just that institutional investors, yeah, well, you want to take a look. If I'm making money over here already, all right, well, I'll take a look over there. But you want to see what happens first. You know what I'm saying? And so what I guess I'm trying to do here or say here to you guys is just, it's going to be a slow, gradual growth. Okay? If you thought that, so that's another thing I'm trying to say to you, is that if you thought that on Tuesday, today, I'm talking to you and your Bitcoins would be at 20 grand, nope, and they're not. This is going to be slow, steady growth. As money slowly pours in, not pours in, but just slowly trickles in. And we will get the growth we need. But that's what's amazing about this. And that's, all right, let's get to the other one. And I'll talk to you about that. Bang! Oh, hold on. But so let's wrap this up, though. And so that's what's needed. So on the first day one, bang, there it is, Bakkt. They did 71 Bitcoins. It's not much, but the CME futures didn't start with much either. And now they're at record levels, right? And so we will see this growing and growing over time. And I'll report on it. Don't worry about it. Now, bang, look. Stuttgart. The Germans. Bambinen. He's actually not German. He's from the Netherlands. But he said I could say that. Look. So we read about these guys last year. I think it was Q2, end of Q2 last year. Like June, July. So end of Q2, beginning of Q3. And they said they were going to have, remember, I think it was even the beginning of Q2 maybe. Remember they said end-to-end solutions? They said end-to-end solutions. All right, well, finally, we're fucking getting to it. Man, dog. Look. The Germans. Hold on. The Germans. The Germans are coming. That's how you got to roll, brothers. Look. That's how it goes. It's the Germans. When they come, they're out for world domination always, right? Right. World War I, World War II. Always these fucking Germans. I lived in Germany, guys. I love Germany. So I'm just having fun. I lived in Berlin. I lived in Friedrichshain district. Yes, I used to go party in Mitte district. Yes. Yeah, those Mitte boys. They would chop out lines of coke right on the fucking, right there. Like, they wouldn't even go to the, like here in America, you want to do a little coke, all right, you go to the bathroom. Have a little respect. In Germany, Mitte district, homeboys chop their lines right there at the bar. Yeah, man. Yes. Well, what they do is they take tobacco and a rolling paper, and they just put some coke in it. Yeah, they call it Cocoa Puff. Oh, yeah, they smoke it. They're like, yeah, let me get a beer. While they smoke their Cocoa Puff. Oh, yeah, it's all normal. That's all normal over there. It's a district. Those boys are hardcore. But, like, look, back to this crypto crap. Look. Boerse Stuttgart launches regulated. Bang! Digital exchange. So, look. The Boerse Stuttgart Digital Exchange, BSDEX, is launched for select users in Germany. Only for select users? Okay. So fully regulated under the German Banking Act. Nice. Bang. Look. Bang. And this is what I want to talk to you guys about. And this is what I'm going to be focusing on hardcore. You know, I've said it. Like, what the hell is going on with our champion nations, right, guys? I'm going to focus on... I'm going to be telling you about anybody who does anything. We need, because it's all America. Well, America ETF. America fucking, what do we get? What is that shit? America, what is that shit? Oh, that's SingularityNET. Oh, futures. Right, American futures, but yo, we need worldwide. So I'm gonna be looking hard. And that's why. Bye. Yes. The Germans. All right, look at that. In a September 23rd news release, the Boerse Stuttgart Group, Germany's second largest stock exchange, announced that trading has begun. Yes. Trading has begun, brothers. The exchange, which is regulated under the German Banking Act. Oh, yes. Regulated. Yes. Will initially allow... Oh, I have hiccups. Hold on. All right, look. So, the Banking Act, the Germans will initially allow users to trade Euro BTC pair, the euro to the Bitcoin. Yes. Obviously, they're in Germany. So, BCDEX will gradually open up its trading venue to other retail and institutional investors, eventually followed by the entire European Union. Bang! Look! Bang! Look! Bang! Look! Bang! Yes. Because that's the key. We need. I never talked to you guys about this. You see, the European Union, once you're regulated in it, like every country and all the guys in it, Spanish, Italian, whatever, can all trade on your... We need a European Union-wide exchange and crypto stuff. And that's what's good. Because actually, I was going to read you a story today. I'm going to read it to you tomorrow, actually. It's about the... I'll tell you right now what it's about. I'm going to read you this tomorrow. Tomorrow, we're going to talk about... Swiss. The Swiss. What are they doing? Anyways, they're going to offer stuff. Yeah, but Switzerland isn't a part of the European Union. Once you have something that's regulated in one part of the European Union, well, it's regulated in all of the European Union, motherfuckers. Look! Bye! Yes. And so that's what's beautiful about this, is that, what does it say? Bye! Eventually followed by what? We're going to offer this in the entire European Union, bitches. Look! Yes. The European Union has 300 million people, just like America. Look! That's how it's going down, brothers. Finally. And that's what I want to really emphasize. Like, we're going to, man, like I told you, shit, where the hell are these guys? What the fuck are they doing, right? Where are your futures? Where are your ETF? Where are your shit? I think it's the custody thing. And I hope it's the custody thing. I don't know for sure, but I think so. And so it's a good thing to see the European Union coming online. Wow. We're seeing the Germans come. The Germans! Yes. Coming online. And which opens up, because they're part of the European Union. Once Germany comes online, well, all of the European Union is allowed to come online. That's the difference between Switzerland. I have a story about Switzerland. Yeah, but Switzerland isn't part of the European Union. right? Are they? No, they're not, right? They didn't do it. And so maybe I'm wrong. If I'm wrong, all right, tell me in the comments. But I'm pretty sure Switzerland isn't part of it. So us hearing about 6 doing this and that and that and that, that's all great, but yes, it doesn't help us because the European Union guys aren't part of it. But look, but when the Germans come online, yes. You understand, brothers? Look, the market. So let's move on, brothers. The market in cryptocurrencies is worth billions, and more digital assets will emerge on the basis of blockchain. Yes. Our goal is to build up the leading European trading venue for those assets. Buy! Look! Buy! Look! Buy! What did he say? Look! Who is he? He's the Boerse Stuttgart guy. He said, look! We want to do what? We want to be, our goal is to buy, to build up the leading European trading venue. Yes, for those assets. There we go. Bang, there we go, brothers. So you see what we did. You see what we've learned. You see what we've seen. So America, yeah, we got our futures in that. Yes. And then now, but you see, and I'm going to read you one tomorrow. Don't worry, I'll get to it tomorrow. Don't worry, for sure tomorrow. Yeah, but you see, we read about the British guy. Remember we read about the British guy last week? Yeah. All right, hold on. Fuck all this. Hold on. Fuck this shit. I was going to get lazy and not even. All right, hold on. So we read about the British guy. The fuck was this guy at? Right? All right, hold on. We got to keep, you know what I mean? We got to keep this in line, brothers. Look. What's that British guy? Anyways, we read about, you remember. What the fuck? Actually, now I'm actually like, what the fuck? Where is this thing? Oh, it might have been a week before then, I guess. All right, look. We read about the British guy. Remember, and he said he's going to offer that, what was it, a fund? I think, right? And he said exposure to everything, right? Exposure to everything. Actually, I'm getting pissed off here. I want to find this motherfucker now. What the hell? Oh, there it is. London hedge fund launches crypto fund. Buy! Look. Yes, brothers. You see these London boys are coming. Here they come. Finally. I told you about London. I live on London time. Why am I doing this show at 6:04 in the a.m.? It's just breakfast time for me. Just look. London. All right, hold on, though. But the point is, these guys want to rock a European-wide one, and which is great. In other words, once you're part of the European Union, I know you Europeans hate when I say this, but the United States of Europe. It's the United States of Europe, all right? Bottom line. You go to Forex Factory and look at when I tell European guys that. Yeesh, they hate that. But that's what it is. And once you're regulated there, bye! You're open for everybody. So look, Stuttgart has also partnered with an external banking partner, Solaris Bank AG, which will process euro payments and provide fiat custodial services. Custody! Bye! Look. Making crypto more accessible. In January, where we go? Hold on, there we go. In January, it was reported that Boerse Stuttgart had officially launched its crypto trading app, Bison. The software is designed to make cryptocurrencies more accessible for investors who are accustomed to traditional markets. All right, bang. But look. We got the Germans. The Germans are come back, brothers. Come back. Oh, Shamar, you're a little twisted. The Germans have arrived. Yes. Well, you know what that means. Whenever the Germans come, it's a world war. I love you, Germans. Bang! Alles klar. Bang! Yes. Alles klar means all is good. Bang! And that's what. I'll do that. Look. All right, let's get shout outs. Where we at? Bang! Look. DP Entertainment Binium. Like the tweet. The Oasis song I put to this weekend, yes. Do you know what I mean? Yeah. I don't want to sing for you because it's horrible. I can't sing for fuck. But you're a black dog. You can't sing? Yeah, I can't sing. I can dance, though. Look, DP Entertainment, love your brother, see your brother. Bye! Biniam, Kazai, love your brother, see your brother. Bye! Yes. Oh, and Biniam gives us some shit right here. What's he talking about? What's Biniam, what's he getting into? IBM is willing to team up with Facebook to develop blockchain technology, as building that ecosystem is a team sport. Oh, that's how it's going down? That's how it's going down. So Biniam says, look, bye! Ha ha! Yeah. So that's going down. Oh, Biniam's talking some more shit right here. What's he talking? Oh, the German thing. Oh, that's what I just talked about. Yes. But let's see how Biniam says it. Germany's second largest stock exchange, Boerse Stuttgart Group, has launched its trading venue for digital assets. There we go. Bang. And that's the nice way to say it. Yes, not the Shamari shit fuck damn version. Look. Brency. Spy lady. Bang. Love you, girl. See you, girl. Bang. What's she talking about? The Death Star online. Yes. Oh, the Death Star. The Death Star did initiate. Look. It's Poppy Wood saying. Poppy Wood. Only this guy keeps changing his pictures. Love your brother. See your brother. Bye. What's he saying? That exactly what it looks like. Oh, I'm going to show you something, Poppy. I understand now. All right, hold on. We'll show you. That was funny. Wrong hands, you son of a bitch. Bye. Look. Bye. Bye. Yes. That's that same fuckstick. He's trying to hide behind his trunk as. Nice try, fuckstick. I see you. Look, sweetie. Yes, my stallion. Bang. Coming to get you, girl. Bang. Keep reading. Bang. Keep learning. Bang. Yes. All in due time. Bang. Love you, girl. See you, girl. Bang. The darkness. Yes, darkness. He was talking some crazy shit. Look, guys. You guys keep talking. So there's some fucksticks of you. You know, you're talking about this fucking repo thing that's going on. Look, settle down, dicks. Settle down. That's not going to affect you. That's a banking thing. Like, that's bullshit. Right? You guys, you go to these crazy little conspiracy websites. First of all, why don't you learn how markets actually work? Okay? And then why don't you learn about economics? And so you don't need to read some shithole website like Zero Hedge. Fucking, you'll just be able to read the numbers and actually know for your own brain what's happening. Yes, guys, stop doing that, man. And then bringing that shit to me like, oh, look at this, look at what this guy. Motherfucker, come on, man. Look, bye. But I love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. Yes. Kong Tai. Kong. Bang. Nothing impossible. Well, nothing's impossible. Check this out. Jump into hyperspace. Yes. Lai Tonu. Oh, man, I got my Asian brothers. Hold on, I got you Asian brothers. What you know about the Dilo? Ah, yes, Dilo. Oh, okay, I got my brothers. That's some Asian gangster shit. Dilo. Yeah, I used to hang out with some Chinese gangsters. With the Dilo. Who would, buy the drinks and everything at night. Yes. My Asian brothers. No, I'm deep. Shit, how does this nigga know? I'm from Canada, fuckstick. I'm not American. I know about the Dilo. Yeah. Dio lega lomo high. Nigga some down. Nia pokai. Yeah. You know what I just said? If you know what I just said. Yes. Look. Lito new. To be or not to be. This is the question. All right. Oh, he's trying to be one of these. All right. Look. What do we got? Kalium project. Decentralized digital asset storage solution for the inheritance of crypto assets. Oh, inheritance. Yes. Exactly. That's going to be needed. It's going to be needed. Our generation, when we die, and we've got cryptos, yes, who do we leave it to? If that's what you're saying, yes. You leave it to your wife, your children? Yes, indeed. Look. Hold on. What's your name? Cat and brother. See you, brother. Love you, brother. Bye. Good work. Blaze Messenger. Blaze Messenger uses state-of-the-art technology. Some shit they probably fucking just to ensure your messages and transactions are yours and yours alone. All right, buddy. Bang. Whoops. What the fuck happened there? All right. Let's get back here. Look. Blaze. See you, brother. Love you, brother. Bang. Make my transactions mine. Yes. And then look. We got Lux. Blockchain, cryptocurrency. Oh, Tron lover. Look. Blah, blah, blah. My crypto real community. Bang. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bang. What do we got? Stallion. We already talked about her. But look. Yes. That's how you got to do it, brothers. That's how you got to do it. Yeah. Give him some kisses. Yes. Look. Son of a bitch. Look. Bye. Look. Bye. Look. Bye. Yeah. Gotcha. Moon landing. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. Radster. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bang. Bitcoin trade wars. I don't know how you have a Bitcoin trade wars. Trade wars are between countries. But look, brother. Obviously, you have an interesting mind. Bang. All right. There you go, brother. Interesting guy right there. Trade wars. Trade wars are between countries, my friend. Look. Oh, Burke's big airdrop, bang. Yes, brother. Hold tight, brothers. Yeah. You got this fucking kid right here. Look at that. Yes. What is he? A Pittsburgh Penguins fan? Oh, that kid's amped. Oh, he's not fucking around. Look at him. Look at the rage. Yeah. Yo, that kid's got some good rage. Look. And look at the mom right there. Look at her beside him. Oh, she loves the rage. Yes. All right. Let's move on. That raging kid was. Oh, and here's the pop you would think. Look. Is this what your warehouse looks like? This is exactly what my warehouse looks like. Bang. Got a little bit more V-chain right there. Let me just look. Let me just put it over here. Yeah. Look. Let me just stack it over here. Yes. That's how it goes, brothers. That's how your warehouse should look. What do you got? We got a V-chain last. Oh, all right. There's my Tron. Yeah, so let me just stack a little bit more of my Tron right over here, like this. All right, let's just get that nicely into the hook. Bang! One more time, brothers. What do I got here? Oh shit! Here's my SingularityNET. Fucking robot. Yes. All right. Let me stack it over here. Yes. Little SingularityNET. Then look. That's how it goes, brothers. That's how your fucking warehouse should be looking. That's how it should be looking, brothers. Oh my gosh. What, we got more? Oh, some stellar. All right, let me just stack this over here. All right. Let's move on, brothers. And sisters. Some chick this weekend. She said, oh, and here it is. Hold on. DP Entertainment said the Death Star goes online today. That was Bakkt. Here it is. Meow. The Death Star. But as you read, it's not a planet-destroying thing. Yet. Yeah. Let's say yet. All right. Look. All right. Anyone else? Fuck it. Since we're down here. Crypto Toff. Hello, gents, ladies, gentlemen. I'm Crypto Toff. Want to know the latest crypto news? Want to know the latest crypto news? Check out my feed. Head over to CryptoToff.com for more. All right. You know what I want to know, Crypto Toff? What markets you in, homeboy? Yeah, what markets you trading, homeboy? You trading anything? You making money in anything? Or you some fuckstick? Making spreadsheets in the day and talking crypto at night. Just asking. Look, the big hodling is a marathon. You daggone right, homeboy. This marathon, not a sprint. Slow money's better than no money. Look. Earning 12% monthly holdings on Cloud Token Wallet. Blah, 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 blah. All right, fuck all that. Bang, though. See you, guy. What's your name? The big hodl. Bang. Michelle Anna. Some chick. Or woman. Chick. Look. Entrepreneur. Coins all the way. Oh, she's got some American and British flags there. Or is that Australian? American, Australian flag. Venture capitalist. Featuring Cointelegraph. Oh, look at you, sweetie. Bang, venture capitalist. Oh, she got all that money. Look, sweetie. Hit me up on Twitter, girl. Bye. Bitcoin Kong. Bye. Look. Rob Bye. Holy, we've been here for a long time, man. Let's get out of this fucking shout-outs crap. Crypto Spirit. Long-term crypto investor. Main focus on third-generation blockchain. Accumulate before FOMO. You daggone right, you better accumulate before the FOMO. None of my tweets can in any way be considered as investment advice. Bang! Good thing there. All right. Bang! Look. Bang! Look. Bang! All right. Bang! Welcome, everybody. All right. Let's get back to our shit, though. So, there it is, guys. We had a great show for you tonight. Cisco and SingularityNET. Yeah, decentralized AI. Like, there it is. SingularityNET. They hooked up with the largest insurance company in the world. They hooked up with, what was it? Domino's Pizza. Whatever. Fuck that Domino's Pizza thing. But, and Cisco. Bye! Get yourself some SingularityNET, boys. Now, I know. I want you to Google SingularityNET Sophia. You'll understand what I'm talking about. Now, I don't like it. No, I don't like it. No, I don't like that at all. But look, I'm an investor, and it's going to make me money, so bang, we're going to invest in it. Now, well, I am invested in it. Actually, what I did last week before Binance went offline is I gobbled up a whole bunch of it. I know. It's an evil little robot, guys. But look, before it turns on us, we can make money from it. And then we can arm ourselves for defense, to defend ourselves. Right? Invest in SingularityNET. Yeah, make all this money. Yeah, and buy yourself some guns to defend yourself against it. Look. All right. Bakkt. 71 Bitcoins on first day. Anyway, so blah, 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 Bakkt. That's an overtime thing. Everyone's always, freaking out. That's an over the time thing. It's institutional grade. The institution will trickle in as they see fit. And, I don't know what to say about it. I just want to talk about it just because, obviously it's the guys that run the New York Stock Exchange. So, it's a big deal. All right, look. And then Stuttgart launches a regulated digital exchange. Bye. And we talked about those guys last year. Finally, they come out. So good for us. All right, guys, let's chill and kill. Let's get you back to your wives and lives. Bang! Subscribe below. Press the bell. You get automatic notifications when I do the show. The greatest show on earth. The greatest show in the multiverse. Bye! Yes. And look. I love doing this show for you. This is the favorite time of my day. Love talking money. Love talking crypto. So look. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bang! I'm always on duty. Yes. Bye! Whoa, Chris A. Hold on. Bang. Over and out. Bang.